Hello everyone! Hello teachers! So for today's video ay pag-uusapan natin yung Patoki Gems ni 51 Talk. So yung part ng ating Teachers Referral Program. So alam naman natin siguro teachers na every time na mag-refer tayo kay 51 Talk, nakapasok sila sa ating link at saka nakapasa ng interview, na-launch talaga, tapos nagka-A or B na rating sa demonstration, nakapagturo ng 50 ended lessons at saka iba pa, mayroon yung mga equivalent na mga Talkie Gems or nag-join ka ba, nag-participate ka ng mga video challenges, yung mga pakulo ni 51 Talk pa promo. So, mayroon rin yung mga Talkie Gems. So, what are those Talkie Gems? So, those are actually gems convertible for our mga 51 Talk merchandise. You can earn gems and then you can claim your prize later on. Now, I will be walking you through how you're going to check your Talkie Gems. So, let's jump over to my laptop. Once again, hello to everyone. So, welcome to my page. So, mag-walk through na po tayo paano natin i-check yung ating Talkie Gems. So, dito po sa ibabaw na to, i-click nyo lang po ito. Okay? So, tapos, dito po sa pinaka-last, makikita nyo po dito yung link. So, i-click natin ito. And then, ito, makikita na natin po yung interface ng ating parang official page ng ating Teachers Referral Program. You can also see this one in our Facebook page. So, I am inviting everyone to also join our Facebook page. So, ito po yung ating Facebook page. So, I'm encouraging everyone to join. I-search nyo lang po yung 51 Talk Referral Talkies Community. So, nandyan yan. You will really be encouraged to join our team para naman ma-coach kayo paano kayo mag-refer ng mga teachers. Okay? So, balik na tayo dito. Alright. So, makikita natin dyan na mayroon tayong pwedeng mga buttons na napasukan. So, since we're going to talk about yung Talkie Gems, i-click natin po itong Talkie Gems. As you can see, ayan, ang ganda-ganda talaga ng pagkaka-present. So, here, you will check your Talkie Gems earning. Paano nyo makukuha yung inyong referral ID? Have here, instruction natin, nandito po siya, how to get your referral ID. So, if you're going to click this one, mayroon po ditong instruction on how to do it. Then, you just need to follow this one kasi kailangan natin yung last 7 digits ng ating referral link. Follow nyo lang po yan, how to get your referral ID. So, you're just going to input it here. Tapos, makikita na po natin dito how many Talkie Gems na po yung na-earn natin out of referring teachers. Okay, so how to earn? Ngayon, kung wala pa tayong Talkie Gems, so, click natin tong button na to. Okay, so ganito. Nandito po yung mga specifics kung how many gems lang po yung ating makukuha. Okay, so, let's start here. Referral registration. So, a new applicant signs up using your referral link and completes the initial screenings, yung initial interview. So, magkakaroon po kayo ng 1 Talkie Gem. Now, kung successfully launch po yung referral natin, your referral officially launches and begins teaching within 45 days, magkakaroon na po tayo ng 5 Talkie Gems. Pero ito naman, platform switcher referral. So, meaning to say, galing siya sa ibang ESL company, tapos nag-apply po siya dito, pinag-apply niyo siya. So, referral joins 51 Talk from another ESL platform and launches successfully. So, you will be earning 2 Talkie Gems. Tapos, demo A referral. If your referral scored A in demo and launches successfully, mayroon kang 5 Talkie Gems. Diba? Ang galing. So, kung mataas yung kanyang rating. Kasi yun yung pinakamataas. Tapos, kung B+ naman yung kanyang demo rate. So, if your referral scored B+ in demo and launches successfully, so, you have 3 Talkie Gems. Tapos, 51 Talk Reels posting. So, kung nag-join kayo ng weekly video challenge na each post following the 51 Talk Reels promo, then you will have 1 Talkie Gem. Diba ang galing niya? Let's go back. So, yun na po yung how to earn. Dito na po tayo sa merch and bundles. So, dito sa merch and bundles, makikita natin dito, we have teaching bundle 1, required Talkie Gems of 30. So, if you're gonna redeem this one, ito yung ating mga items na pwedeng i-redeem for your 30 gems. You can earn stainless mug, notebook, pen and mouse pad, tapos teaching shirt. Then, Then, Teaching Bundle 2, required Talkie Gems of 45. So, pwede kayong makapag-redeem ng tumbler, Talkie pouch, tote bag, teaching shirt, at saka foldable umbrella. At saka dito naman, if you have 10 gems, you can already claim teaching shirt, 65 gems headset, 50 gems webcam, 1,000 gems tablet, at saka laptop naman. Ito yung pinakamaraming gems na dapat mong i-accumulate para makaklaim ka ng laptop. It's 2,275 gems. Magkakaroon na po kayo ng laptop. 'Di ba? Ang galing-galing. So, yun na po. So, mayroon tayong terms and conditions dito. So, kayo na pong bahalang magbasa niyan. Alright. So, how to claim. So, dito naman, mayroon tayong claim form. Yeah, so if i-fill out nyo lang yan, yeah, so everything should have to be filled in kasi ipapadala na sa inyo ni 51 Talk if ever na mag-claim na po kayo. So yeah, so aside from there, mayroon rin tayo ditong redeem now. Yeah, ito, promo claim form. So, yun po lahat. I'm encouraging everyone to refer para naman na mayroon na po kayong collection of gems. If you have time, you can also explore. Okay, explore nyo naman yan kasi marami po tayong matututunan dyan. So, I guess I have finished my target kasi yung objectives lang natin ngayon is to really learn how to check your Talkie gems. And if you find me as the rightful person to really refer you to 51 Talk, then just don't hesitate to message me. Wag lang talagang mahihiya. Just message me or immediately click my referral link below or doon sa itaas kaya or sa description box if you have watched this one in YouTube channel. So, thank you so much. You can message me over TikTok, Facebook, or kaya simply message how, then I will guide you all throughout your application process. That will be all for today. Thank you so much and I hope to hear from you soon. Bye-bye!